Hello guys! Today we're going to look what's inside my DJI Spark case. Let's open it, shall we? And here we go. Okay, first of all, of course, the most important thing, it is my tiny little Spark with the propeller holders, gimbal protector, which is broken, missing the locking tab. I have 3 batteries, one at the drone, 2 spares, I have the ND filters. Oh, maybe we should take it out. We can do it again. Put it back. And I always carry with me this Smart 3 battery bank charger, which is excellent piece of equipment. I highly recommend this. The standard charger, always handy to have. And the power cord for the standard charger. Of course, remote controller. And spare propellers. Oh, yeah, you know them, inside here somewhere. And they fit nicely in this slot. You can even put 2 more of them on top of them, so you can carry 4 pieces. Yes, that was the bottom. And on the top, I like to have this one with me. If I put this in the Sparks bag, protects it definitely more. Stick protector, landing pad, and of course the prop guard, all 4 of them. The charging plate for the charger. Wind meter, anemometer, which is called in English. User manual for the meter, it's not that necessary. And more propellers. This is, I think it's broken one, yes, broken ones. Not necessarily. USB cable. Strap for the bag. More propellers. Broken one. Range extender, which I hardly use now that I have used the FCC mode on the 2 of them, which extend the range from 200-300 meters to up to 2 kilometers. But still, it's with me. Cloth, never used. Was included in this kit to polish, remove this. Can also be used for the lens. Well, that's it. And here you have it, guys, all spread out on the table, which is, yeah. This is what I have in my DJI Spark case. Thanks for watching. See you.